Alright, what's good YouTube? It is your man, the son of some man.
Son, who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son?
And we are back with a brand new video. What's up guys? What's going on? How is everyone doing? Hope all is well. Hope you enjoy your weekend. But if you are brand new, please do me a favor. Feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. Also, if you're brand new and want to get notified every time we drop a brand new video, all you got to do is hit that little notification bell down below. Alright guys, getting right into it. Today we're going to be doing a review on foot of a brand that actually reached out to me and sent me some shoes, wanted me to review them. Like I said, I'm truly humbled. This brand is IJF. It's just fresh. Alright guys, before we get into the shoes, I'll give a little backstory on the creator. From Southside Chicago. He actually went to school with the shoe surgeon. I forget the shoe surgeon's name though. Dominic, I believe his name is. And he went to the school of the Chicago of shoemaking. Very determined to you know, design his own sneaker. He also started his brand in the basement, which is truly remarkable, man. He did not give up. He wanted, you know, he wanted to design something and he did it. And today we're gonna have a look at it. We have two pairs of shoes that we're gonna be looking at today. So sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy today's review. All right, so the first pair we have is Desert Aura, beige and pink, size 11. Now this is the box. IJF Daily. You got a shark. Some dude putting his hand towards the shark's mouth. You got the front of the box. You got sharks on the side, shark fins on the back. Pretty dope. The details are dope. I like it. All right, as you can see, this I can't pronounce it. I'm gonna be honest with you, but it has to do with the megalodon shark. I just did some research. I found that out. I couldn't pronounce this. I'm not gonna sit here and lie. Otus. Not really sure. Otus. Not sure. But it has to do with the megalodon sharks. If you guys are into, you know, sharks, which my favorite animal is actually the great white shark. But anyway, here you have it, guys. The Desert Aura. Now these are pretty clean, man. I cannot lie. The materials are really nice. Honestly, I can't lie. You would think this is from a big brand. And if this, you know, dude keeps, you know, keeping it up with the craftsmanship on these shoes, he will one day become a big brand. I believe in that a lot. Very dope. All right, guys. Without further ado, let's get into today's review. My guy makes t-shirts too. Check out this bomb ass t-shirt. Excuse my language, but look at this. So fire. Scottie Pippen, Michael Jordan, the flu game. But they got skulls. Super fire. Got the Bulls logo on the arms. Scottie Pippen Jordan on the sleeve. Really dope. Really fire. Truly appreciate it, Carlton. I really do. Thank you so much, man. I'm gonna put this together with a nice fit as well. Alright guys, as you know, over here on the channel we like to take a look at the outsole first. Now this outsole is pretty thick. Really nice quality, I can't lie. And it's got these traction pods on here, man. Really dope. Moving up, checking out the midsole. As you can see, somewhat of the outsole leaks up onto the midsole here. You got a nice cushion. Really nice. It's really comfortable, the shoe. I really can't even say anything, you know, less about it. All right, taking a look at the heel, guys. You got this plastic heel cup around here in beige. It's glossy, really nice. Then over here on the back tab, you got that name again that I couldn't pronounce. But like I said, it has to do with the megalodon shark. Taking a look at the inside. Very clean overall. The beige is really nice. This knit on top is really soft and comfortable. Now, this is their logo, the Just Fresh logo, which I gotta get some more insight on the back on that logo, see exactly where it inspires from. But taking a look at the toe box, as I mentioned, you got that. The entire upper is made of that, you know, nice knit material, stretchy, very comfortable. Moving up towards the, top of the tongue, you got the, I want to call this the front pull tab, because that also helps you get the shoe on, and it says fresh there in pink as well. Really nice. Also, all right, take this out and take the, this is really nice. Got some detailing here. You got a shark. Really nice. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think of the Desert Aura. Stay tuned for the end of the video because we got the on foot coming. Now this pair, obviously, this dude loves the ocean. Me, I respect the ocean. There's a difference. As you can see, we got Waves on the box. The overall name of the shoe is Waves. It's also, the model is Little Dragon. Then we got the colorway is yellow, red, black. Very dope. You got It's Just Fresh here on the box, all black bottom. What does it say over here? Waves on the side here, Waves on this side. Then we got Waves on the front, like I showed you before. Really dope. All right, guys, here you have it. Waves. Now this I like. The nice, bright, bold orange. Got the little red hits. Really, really dope. As we do, we're going to take a look at the outsole. As you can see, the outsole is pretty dope too, man. Really, really nice. Like I said, I mentioned that in yesterday's video. If you haven't seen that, you can click the link at the top of the screen and check that video out. But this reminded me a little bit of Boost. It's got the fresh, stamped in over here on the heel. Really dope. Comfortable shoe. All right, guys, moving up. As you can see, we got some mud guards in the front here with that knit. The entire upper is made of knit, and it's got this little plastic mud guards that go around the entire shoe. On the back pull tab, as you can see, it says Little Dragons. On the front pull tab, it says Waves. It's also got this lacing system, which I've never had before, nor have I ever seen before. But you tighten up the shoe with just a twist. All right, as with this lacing system, it pops in, pops out to tighten and unloosen it. It's pretty self-explanatory. But anyway, as you can see, we got the red on the eyelets here for your laces. Really clean. We got that IJF logo again here on the inside, also on the midfoot as well. Mentioning the top is made of that knit material. Really, dope. Really, really cozy shoes. Let me tell you, I have to tell you. And he's got some other sneakers that I'm definitely interested in. I'll show them to you guys right here. Really dope. I like the red, I like the green. Then he matched them up with like some Ninja Turtle stuff. It looks really, really dope. Remember, guys, if you want to cop anything, the links will be, to his Instagram in the description. Also, I'm going to put the links to the story behind the shoe. You can read up on it if you want to know more about IJF and It's Just Fresh. For this insole, it's just plain black insole, and then you got the Waves in the text there. Really nice. Also too, you got like a little footprint here. I don't know if you can see that, guys. Really dope. But guys, let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. If you guys want more information on these Waves or the Desert Aura, all you have to do is hit the link in the description. IJF, It's Just Fresh, his Instagram. Give him a follow. Let him know your man, the Thesonofsomeman, has sent you if you decide to purchase anything off of him. Also as well, stay tuned to the end of the video. We got an on foot of both pairs of shoes for you. Guys, I thank you guys so much for tuning in. I truly, truly appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. But until next time, it is your man, the Thesonofsomeman, and I'm out, guys.
What we do here is go back, 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 back.